Well, we were almost about to not hear from Adam Cianciarulo tomorrow. That's because at one point today during press, he says, quote, "So I'm at Daytona watching press from the manager's tower, and in between the last 450 sessions and the start of the 250 sessions, I walked across part of the track they were not riding at all. I paused on top of the jump and glanced behind me to see some riders coming through. Suddenly, a security guard started yelling at me to get off the track, which I immediately did. As I was calmly explaining myself and showing him my credentials, he yelled in my face, grabbed my arm, and yanked me toward him like I was a threat to society. I respect authority, and if you didn't want me standing there, I get it, but it was completely over the line, and I let him know that it was. Also, worth mentioning, other members of the media, blah, 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 blah. The police officers escorted me out of the pits, and Daytona security took my credentials. Tough scene in my hometown, folks. You know me, always getting into trouble. All has been resolved, and my credentials were or was returned. Now, obviously, Adam Cianciarulo, probably one of the most notable spaces. Like, if you are involved in this sport at all, you know who he is. And it might be less so for somebody who's just working security. You might just be there for a paycheck and not care absolutely one bit about what's going on, who's racing, who the names are, who the people are. Who cares? They might not even know or care. But the fact that somebody who's, you know, credentialed to do what he's doing, be where I'm assuming he has full, you know, carte blanche to be anywhere he wants, go anywhere he wants, interview anybody, be any part of it. And I understand if there was people racing on the track, there was bikes going around, then yeah, it would be stupid. And I'm assuming he is more than smart enough to not do that. But the fact that somebody just grabs him and then, you get escorted out from your job for doing your job, basically. And I mean, it's good. It's one of those stupid things that people are gonna look at and be like, "What is going on over there?" This absolute like clown show of thing. And I saw something too earlier about Daniel Blair. You might not be hearing from him. I don't know if somebody hears or anything knows about that. Comment down below. Tell me what it is. But to me, it's just a funny little story. It's one of those like you've got to know who these people are if you're working it. If you're security, you should know who is allowed to do what and where. And I don't know. To me, this is a funny, stupid little story. Bad PR for, Feld and the whole organization, I guess you want to call it. But I don't know. You guys tell me, comment down below. Are you excited for Daytona? Are you excited for hearing Cianciarulo because he's not, banned? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.